Oh yeah, this is looking nice and fishy, boys. Holy fuck, that was one of the biggest frogs I've ever seen. Hello?
Hey, bitch.
Oh, okay, I see how it is.
Where you at?
I am next to, like, I'm right at Booty. I'm actually doing like a Google Maps challenge right now.
Oh, okay, sick. We're headed to River Road to go back to that spot we saw yesterday. We're gonna wade fish a little bit. We're probably gonna wade fish that entire section up until, you know, later on in the season.
Okay, well, I'm gonna fish. I'll set it for like 2 hours and I'll fish. And then if I don't catch anything, I'll come up there with you. How's that? All right, dude. Have a good luck over there.
All right, you too.
All right, see you, bud. Well, that was unplanned. But today, I'm bringing you guys a Google Maps fishing challenge. Actually, well, of course, I mean, these are all found on Google Maps. But I never knew this spot existed. But the plan for today is that I'm gonna set my timer, like I said, for 2.5 hours. And once I hit start, I have 2.5 hours to catch any fish that I possibly can at either of these spots. So let's go ahead and hit that start button. And now we can start fishing. Back there looks really good. There's a lot of shade. Right now I'm using my Sunfish Whopper Plopper. It's supposed to mimic bluegill. And I'm gonna be throwing a spinner with a bandito bug on it. It's actually got 2 willow leaves, so that's gonna be really nice. This is actually the Bill Dance pole I'm working on right now. 5'6", and it's the broken pole, but with a little bit of Gorilla Glue and some faith and some work, you can make almost anything possible. Like I said, I've never fished this pond before, but hopefully we can max some monsters today. At least a 2-pounder, right? There's gotta be a 2-pounder sitting in here. What I don't have rigged up and what I kinda wish I did was a frog. Frog would probably kill in here. I mean, I did see the biggest bullfrog I've ever seen in my life just jump out in front of me. So I've got 3 spots marked today, and I'm gonna spend about 45 minutes at each spot. So I've got some work ahead of me. That bandito bug looks amazing. Hopefully it looks that amazing to the fish too. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move around the bank just a little bit. I haven't gotten any bites yet, but I've only been here for about 10 minutes, I'd say. Probably not even that. This spot over here in the corner looks really good. There's a lot of shade coming down, so I'm gonna see if I can get some bites on the Whopper Plopper. Right now I'm just running it along this bank. There's a lot of shade in this spot, so hopefully there's a fish sitting under here. Shitting. There she goes. Must have picked up a blade of grass or something. Yes, sir. I might even see if I can get over there extremely back into that corner. I think that's gonna be the spot right there. If we don't get anything on this side, there is another little pocket over there to my left, so we'll try that too. This pond just looked really fishy. It's actually right next to a creek, so I'm hoping there's some nice largies in here. I mean, as fishy as this place looks, I'd be surprised if there wasn't one. At least one. Little 1-pounder. Come and say hello to the Whopper Plopper. That was a good cast.
Boy 50.
Do I have fish? What? I have, are you kidding me? This early? This freaking early into the challenge? Are you freaking kidding me? What a way to start the freaking day. I didn't even think I had a fish on. Wow. Just freaking wow, man. Are you kidding me? Not a huge largie. He's got little needle teeth though. Not particularly large, but hey, a fish is a freaking fish, and I've already caught one. See, this is why you should do these Google Maps challenges right here. This is the exact reason why. I know he's not huge or anything, but this is just proof that you can go anywhere and catch a fish. I mean, that is just insane. I would get a release video of this guy because we don't know if we're gonna catch any more fish today, but I'm gonna just drop him in right here because it's kind of a steep bank, so. There you go. See you later, buddy. Wow, what a way to start the day. I'm gonna put it back near that same spot just in case there's a few more fish sitting over there in that shade. I'm not even using codename Trout Magnet right now, and I'm pulling in fish. The Whopper Plopper strikes again. Always kind of knew about these things, but I never thought that they would work on bass, especially in ponds, rivers, especially rivers. That's the one I would be most confused about. That is why she is my favorite lure of all time right now. Alrighty, I'm gonna see if I can get back a little bit further into this pocket. Now this is just asking for snakes. Look, there's a nice little path here. That's nice. You know what happens? I get snake bit. I'm out here by myself. Everyone knows this story. Hopefully we don't catch anything too huge either, because I do not have my scale on me right now. And that would be a real shame. This place looks like the spot, boys. I'm gonna try this. Nope. what I was gonna say is I want to try to stay quiet so we don't scare any fish, but then I fall on my ass. So that is amazing. Not much room to cast either, unfortunately, but we'll give her what we can. Is that a fish? He came up and hammered that thing. This might be a decent one. Oh, he is not happy. Oh man. Now this is a fish I wish I had my scale for. That is a solid fish. Who would have thought that at a place like this, I'd be pulling out little toads? Now, I'll never know what he weighs, but he is a healthy fish. I mean, look at that. That is a solid fish. I'll give you some representation with my hand right there. He is girthy. I'd say he probably weighs, he's probably just a little bit shot. I mean, he is so fat. Let's get a mouth view of this guy. Now, we can actually get a release video of this guy. He came up and nailed this thing, dude. That was insane. All right, buddy. We bid you adieu. Oh my God, he was not happy with me at all. He sprayed my face with water. That was awesome. That's why you always bring your scale, boys. Wow, 2 fish already. That's insane. Now, if we catch anything that I know 100% is over 2 pounds, I'm going back to get my scale. I mean, like I said, I thought there would be a fish back here, and I was not wrong. He's a little toad. Unfortunately though, we cannot stay at this spot all day as much as I would like to. We've got a few more places to try out. What I'm gonna try to do right now is actually cast it over there along that bank. This Whopper Plopper is the bomb.com. We'll give it about 5 more with this Whopper Plopper, and then I think I'm actually gonna try the bandito bug out in this spot just in case. That eat was so sick though. You know, about 3 months ago, I would have dreamed to have been able to catch any of these fish, honestly. But it's just, I think it's just learning the trade. After you know where fish are sitting and you know what they're gonna hit and how they're gonna react to certain lures, then it's really just finding the spots and putting them out there. I still haven't even tried the other side of this pond yet. I'm so excited. This place is great. Paid off so far. Now we just need all monster. We'll stay at this spot right here for probably about 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, somewhere in there. Then we're gonna move around to the other corner, and then we're hitting the road, Jack. And we definitely will come back some more. Oh, spinners are a cancer. Spinners are a cancer. A lot of people like spinners. Not particularly my cup of tea. I like a lure that doesn't get hung around itself every other cast. But that's just my personal preference. See, look, I mean, that was literally 3 casts. Oh, we might have to retire the spinner for today, boys. Might retire the spinner for a chatterbait. That's what I'm thinking. All right, boys. Nothing doing on the bandito bug spinner. So, we're gonna move around to the other side of this little pond. Just chumming the water, boys. So right here to my left, there's a little bit of shade. So that's where I'm casting. Well, that's a good cast. I'm casting into that area. But I'm casting into this area. Hopefully there's, wow, what was I just saying? It was literally as soon as it hit the water. Wow, that is, and then he flips out of the water, man. What a day of fishing. And that's a healthy fish too. Wow. Google Maps paying off today. Fish number 3 of the day. I can't believe this. He hit this as soon as it hit the, while I was talking about it, he hit this as soon as it hit the water. What a fish. I mean, these are some nice little largies in these ponds. Hopefully there's one that's a little bit bigger in here because we're not gonna have much time left, but let's go ahead and toss this guy back in. See you later, pal. What a fish. Wow, I am killing it today. Well, boys, I'd say this Google Maps challenge has been pretty much a success so far. These fish are so aggressive. They're just coming up and macking this thing too. It's what's so crazy. You wouldn't expect that out of a little tiny pond like this, would you? The place I would like to go, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to because there's no path, is right over there on that corner. Now that looks like a fishy place. But, ladies and gentlemen, we're already 3 fish down on the first spot. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Any luck today, guys? Not today? Well, good fishing. Hopefully you guys get something. No problem. Oh, no way. Oh, man.
I almost caught a big bass.
Oh, yeah? Little largemouth? That's sweet. Keep it up, buddy. Hopefully you'll get one.
I think the bait's
Good luck, you guys. So we are at the next spot. It looks really, really fishy. The little pavilion back there is already taken over, so I thought I would walk around to this corner where there's some shade. Oh, yeah, this looks like the spot back here. Only thing is, is getting down to it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy Trolls Almighty here, and today, this episode of Teaching Men to Fish, we're gonna be getting poison ivy. Should have worn pants, I know it's gonna be kind of difficult for you guys, but I can already see some weed beds down here, which is a really, really good sign, for me at least. Literally standing on a tiny tree just to hold it down. Awesome, 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 awesome. Oh, this is just the greatest video of all time right here. Try to put it right there. No way, no way. No way. Wow. Oh, you're gonna see. Oh, he did. Oh, he put that hook right in my scar too. Not bad. First little fish of the day. I'm actually gonna show this family this. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We won't keep them out of the water for too long, but I think they will enjoy this. You know, honestly, not bad for being here for 5 minutes. That's pretty good. I already got me one. You guys want to see him? Whopper Plopper. That thing kills. I'm actually doing a little Google Maps challenge right now. I just came from another pond.
That's like a big bass.
Awesome.
You like that? You want to hold him?
Hold him, Tanner.
You can hold him. It smells like fish, doesn't it?
They got the tendency to do that.
There we go.
Here, give us that Bella. Give us that Bella, and I'll hold it.
You've never hold a fish in your life.
I'm from fishing.
You guys want to release him? You want to put him back? You just, yeah, sure. All you got to do is put him over the side.
Oh, easy, easy. Watch him.
And there he goes.
He scared me. Why?
He was ready to go back, wasn't he?